Because this is how I live my life, live my life, live my life. Because this is how I live my life, live my life, live my life.
Alrighty guys, how you going? It's Monday, start of the week, gonna be busy, flat out, got so much filming to do. Today I'm riding around East Point, getting some shots for a bike scene. Gonna get back to it and get the shots that I need. I'm gonna go home, have a bite to eat, and I want to film myself skimboarding. Now I haven't ridden my skimboard for around 10 years, so I could literally eat shit on camera. Conditions are perfect. Little unfit.